saved. The world is
Look
not
where you're
the way
going.
it seems. You.
Excuse me.
Everybody's
Hello.
got a little baby habit. It's fucking cheaper than dirt.
True. For real? Don't be a walking lie. Be a person of love. Be like a lion, loving its prey. Don't be a dog, humping society.
You got a problema with me? Who's this freak? ¿Quién es este cabrón? Get the fuck out of here.
Shut the fuck up, Jacob! Niko! I hear you can understand this Rasta shit. Get over here before I run out of patience and start shooting!
I don't think I've ever played Peacemaker, but I'll be there in a bit.
I'm trying to get home. Para mí, I gotta smoke after dinner, ¿sabes? Hola, mi amor, what's tuyo?
And then when you're blood clot, you forgot to set me on a pussy hole.
Yeah, fuck you, fucking reggae idiot bitch!
You want blood clot, cause I don't even bumble clot rate you, you know.
Stop speaking that gibberish!
Fat bumble clot pussy hole girl, you know this? Shot in a bumble clot. Hey, yo, don't touch
What's
me.
wrong? What's wrong?
Jacob here. You know Jacob?
Yes.
Jacob tells me it wasn't him. But some people he introduced me to have ripped me off big time. And put the heat on me. I know they did.
All right.
But someone
And
did.
my fault, you know, Rasta. And my blood
Well,
clot.
not
pussy.
your
Hey,
fault.
don't come in on my face.
All right. You better hope Niko can make this right for you then.
Oh, what?
Oh, we got a big fucking problem, Rasta. Niko, go do this fool's job for him.
Yeah, I got it.
Watch me now.
See you later.
Redwoods and debonaires? Big difference, ¿sabes?
We're going to President Avenue.
Doing a radio show.
Get off the
and a
fucking
podcast
road.
about a radio
Sure thing.
show.
But
Let's
then
get
no
going.
talk.
That's about
You
the
asked for
podcast.
it.
That's about the radio show. You know,
This is as far as we go.
This is scale fish, imported straight from Bolivia, manito. Polvo puro, the best, man.
You're in America now. The best everything gets made here. If the best stuff got made in Mexico or Colombia or wherever, why do you all run across the border? Tell me that. Let's waste this punk, man! You're mine, amigo! It's over, man! We got you fucking covered!
How do you like this, hijo de puta?
Wave to the crowd, motherfucker.
Holy shit, get down! Be scared!
I'm moving in. Enjoy the last few seconds of your life.
Screw you!
Don't worry, te ayudamos pronto. Surrounded, cabrón. Nowhere to turn. I got you, you son of...
This asshole's crazy! Down!
Wait. Ya basta, okay? No more.
Say your prayers.
Crazy fuckers trying to take it.
I'll lift your fucking guard out! Okay, okay. But you know...
I've got this stuff. You know where the heat is coming from?
I think I'm getting closer now. But there's one more cat after big though.
Shit! Speaking of fucking cups, I think I have company. I gotta go.
Everybody get down and stay down until I say it's okay. Everybody get cover. Everyone stay in my sight. Cover me. You ain't going nowhere. We got you pinned in.
Subject eastbound on foot.
Don't do it. Don't make me shoot you.
We see him, right there. Required 7 Colony Island. Dispatch 5 units from this market north.
I lost the heat. Where are you?
Cheers, fine. I'm with some buggers and why. Get here now, Niko. This is some strange shit.
shit.
my apology.
Fuck! That's what happens when you get careless, Papa.
Hey!
I swear, they're putting less tobacco in these things.
Exactly.
So, we need to go to Ethica Avenue.
Nobody knows this city better than me.
Don't fuck about, let's go.
This is gonna be fun.
It's all good. It's
This
good
is it,
shit.
buddy.
Booyah.
We're here.
Jacob, what are you talking about? You know, I think you're smoking too much.
Yo, me think me know the eater come from in a king.
Hey, Niko. Hey, Jacob.
What are you doing here? This is no place for you, Michelle.
As it happens, it is. You see, Niko, I have been working for the government. I'm afraid it's my job to watch you. And now I have to ask you for the coke.
This is a joke, right?
Please, please don't make this harder for me than it already is. Look, they're about to take down Elizabeta.
I don't fucking believe this.
Listen, I'm sorry it had to be this way, Niko. I'm really sorry. Hey, you know, you could have gone down too if you weren't so useful.
You fucking bitch.
Niko.
Hold on. You mean to say you're going to let us off just like that? Nothing now go on?
Well, my employers need the help of a guy like Niko. The office is in Algonquin. I'll call you. You know, as and when we need you. The coke, please.
Shocking, me have to tell Elizabeth so she now get her cocaine, you know.